In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import AliExpress products to Shopify. We'll walk through the full process step by step, so by the end you'll know exactly how to go from finding a product on AliExpress to having it live and ready to sell in your Shopify store. First, log into your Shopify admin. This is your main dashboard where you manage products, orders, and apps. At the top of the page, click into the search bar, type apps, and open the apps section. In the search field there, type DSers and hit enter. Find the DSers app, install it, and follow all of the prompts to connect it to your Shopify store. If you don't already have a DSers account, you'll be guided through a quick registration and authorization process. Next, open your browser and go to Google. Search for DSers Chrome extension and add it to your Chrome browser. This extension makes it easy to send products from AliExpress directly into DSers with one click. Now head over to AliExpress. Browse and select a product you'd like to add to your store. When you hover over the product listing, you'll see an option that says Add to DSers. Click that. This sends the product into your DSers account, where you'll manage it before pushing it to Shopify. Once you've added the products you want, go back to your Shopify admin. In the bottom left, click Settings, then choose Apps and Sales Channels. Find DSers in the list and click Open App to launch it. Inside DSers, look at the left-hand panel and click on Import List. This is where you'll see all the products you've imported from AliExpress. If you want to edit a product before sending it to your store, check the box next to that product and choose Bulk Edit Product. A pop-up will open, letting you change the title, images, description, and other details. From there, you can either save your changes or save and push the product directly to Shopify. If you're happy with the product as it is and don't want to edit it inside DSers, just click the Push to Store icon. Select your store, adjust any preferences by checking or unchecking the options you want, and then click Push to Store at the bottom right. Finally, return to your Shopify admin and click Products on the left-hand side. You'll now see the AliExpress product in your product list. If its status is not set to active yet, simply change it to active so it appears in your online store.